Hello. Today I'm going to show you that do you have making the red color for the frozen fruit juice the way the AKP way. It's because it's a modern life. We very busy and sometimes we buy the fruit and we don't have time to eat. So um, so that's we do it that way so you can save time and money and make sure you have the plenty variety of different fruit juice, different mineral. And for the color of red, okay, are you watermelon? Okay, the more the better. Are you watermelon right here? And then I use red, black grape juice, black grape, right? And for sweet, and I use about 1 cup of pomegranate, right? That's one. Okay, that's about 1 cup, and so we have three different things, and beet, yeah, about half cup of beet, and black plum, okay, black plum, and the different kind of the different berry. Okay, as I have blackberry, strawberry, blueberries, and raspberry. You can use the frozen one or the fresh one. Like when you do the blending like this one, you use about 1/4 or 3/4 of frozen to making the food like blending, and use this one, the cactus. It's really good. It's really good for the people have people with diabetes. And so the first time you may not like it, but it's really sweet and a lot of mineral and a lot of mineral for your health. So, and the color is so beautiful. The color of red is for love and for passion. And you have the day and you can make this juice for the night, for the special night, right? And or you don't have to. You make it for yourself, right? Love yourself and take care of yourself. Not necessary for, because if you're healthy and you're happy, and you can do a lot of things, so you can have the energy to love, to care for other people, and take care of yourself. It's so important. And I always put a little bit of papaya by apple, because by apple they have the natural protein as it's good to help to clean out your gut and clean out your intestine, whereas this help for digesting protein about the meat or something that not your body not able to digest, so they will clean it out and prevent a lot of disease. And now for the vitamin, I will the vitamin E. Yes, vitamin E about 2 milliliters, and a little bit of salt. Yes, a little bit of salt. And for this batch, I make it for a bottle, and I can 4 or 5 bottles. I can drink in 4 or 5 days, depend on how many days we drink. So we use about quarter teaspoon of AKP vitamin. The special vitamin is special for this juice. If I do that, right? I put like, for this one I make for 4 bottles, so I put about one. I did 6 bottles, so I put about two teaspoon. Depend on like if today you have more, you need more energy, so you can use more, but not too much, and you have to drink it slowly. And it's very slowly, okay? Like slowly until like I dilute with water and until it's very light color like this. Now we just blend, right? And because you this blended is blend very well, and you it okay. It's so good. Yeah, because they have the seed of so um, you have to blend it again until it's on a smooth. We eat all the seeds because the seed they also have the vitamin B17. It's also the belief it's helping to prevent cancer. Okay, but I don't claim that. So we just think about like our body, they need the nutrition, and we provide nutrition, and the body can heal by itself. So and then we can blend it again until you will feel it smooth, and you can put it in the jar like that, right? You can put in the glass jar, and when you put in the glass jar, it's make sure you don't put in too much, and leave it one space for the expansion. Okay, and thank you. And you can keep that, you can make a lot when the day you open, you can keep in the freezer, and just wake up, take one and go to work. And follow me for another color, like I mentioned the color. You go to sign up, subscribe to my website and Facebook, or follow me on YouTube. You will have I will show you another one to make in the different color, like red, red, yellow, orange, and green. Okay, thank you, and remember, love yourself. Love yourself is the best gift you can give to your family and your loved one. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.